Hello friend, welcome to Art Factory, and in today's session we are going to learn how to make a traditional paper boat. For this you require the A4 size paper which I have taken, or you can take any size rectangular paper. So the first step, you have to fold the paper as I have shown in the video, and you have to mark the center. Then you have to make one more fold and you have to take the center of the same as shown in the video. Press it properly from all the side. Now open it from the one right corner, the fold the paper as I shown in the video. Then from the other left corner, fold the paper as I shown in the video. Okay, press it properly. Now fold the paper upward from the bottom side, turn around. Now fold the paper in the same way from the bottom and lock both the corners as shown in the video. The same thing you have to repeat for the other side. Fold the remaining corner towards the inward, inside, and now just open it. You will find the square one now. Perfect square. Press it from all the side in the proper way. Now, next, fold the paper from the bottom towards the upward and maintain some distance of 2 to 3 centimeter from the top. In the same way, repeat to the other side. Press it properly. Now open as shown in the video, and now you have to pull the paper outside from both the end slowly, and your traditional paper boat is ready. So I hope you enjoyed this Art Factory today's traditional paper boat video. For more paper artwork, please like, share and subscribe to my Art Factory. Thank you.